Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Crispy Chicken Craveable. So this is a crispy chicken burger from Tim Hortons, unique. Tim's been kind of experimenting with some more, I guess, restaurant-like food options. It has lettuce and sauce on it, so I'm glad they didn't throw a tomato on there. I think the sauce is their chipotle sauce, and it's got like 2 chicken patties to make the chicken patty. It's cool, on a little bun, ciabatta bun. So that's what that is there. I'm excited to try this because it's got sauce and lettuce, and that's kind of like my favorite way to have chicken burger. So, all right, we get right into it. Sauce is good. It is their chipotle sauce. Crispy chicken, I think, is the same crispy chicken that they have in their other options. It's good. Got a good flavor. Ciabatta bun. Tastes like a ciabatta bun. And lettuce is nice and crispy there. I actually like their chipotle sauce. Really rainy out. It was a blizzard, but it got really warm. Now it turned to rain, but yeah. I really like that. Good chicken burger. Kind of fake chicken burger because it's got 2 like chicken strips on it. But whatever, it's tasty. I really like the sauce. I had this sauce on their roast beef sandwich. It didn't hit quite like this. I think it's perfectly paired for their chicken though. Oh, one more bite. The chicken tastes really good on this. Especially mixed with the sauce. Like 2 burgers in one. 2 strips. So yeah, this is pretty flavorful. I like it. Ciabatta bun's nice, toasted, and it has some lettuce, a good amount of lettuce too. The chipotle sauce, which I find is great with this chicken, better than with like their roast beef or anything else. And then the chicken itself, which is, I think, deep fried, but it's flavorful. I think it's the same chicken that they have in their other options. So yeah, crispy chicken from Tim's, and Tim Hortons Crispy Chicken Craveable. I would give that on a scale of 1 to 10 an 8 out of 10, maybe even an 8.5. I really like the chipotle sauce on this. It's better than like a junior chicken from McDonald's, although it is a little bit more expensive than one. It's like a premium option of that. It's got 2 of those chicken strips, or maybe there's a chicken burger, I don't know. This might be just what they gave me, but I really like the sauce. The sauce goes very well with this. And yeah, it's a good burger. So go check it out. Tim Hortons Craveables. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.